Alrighty. You didn't wait, and we love that. Today's all about really stocking up on your essentials, because before you know it, as I said, there's 53 days to spring. It'll be here before you know it. Lots of times the weather arrives way before it technically tells us on the calendar. So now we're gonna go through, give you that chance to get the set of 3 t-shirts. This is when we give our best values, without a doubt. It enables us when we're able to bundle these together. This is the So Soft jersey for you. I added the shipping and handling. It comes to $23.50 a t-shirt, or a top. I shouldn't even call it a t-shirt, a round neck top. All right, you ready?
And you know what, Pat?
Yes.
By itself, they're $35 for one on QVC.com right now. So
that's a value.
That's $90 for 3 with 3 shipping and handlings.
Yes.
This is such a good deal. It's such a good deal. Okay, sorry.
No,
I digress.
No, because that's why, and you know, a lot of times we'll do a set of 2. When you see a set of 3, which you all started to do, the set of 3 is even better as far as a buy. So yellow, light gray, and chambray. Black, orchid, and pine. These colors are gorgeous. Look at that rose. Rose is a coral color?
Yeah, it's like a peachy salmon.
Okay, I'll go with you on that one. Navy and tapioca.
Uh-huh.
This is teal, alpine frost, and white.
And alpine frost is really more like a sage green.
And then last but not least, here's the blue, the slate, and then the rose. That's most popular and already very limited. You don't want to wait. Double extra small through 5X on this, 3/4 sleeve, and this will be your rayon cotton and spandex.
Yeah, this is a new jersey, New Jersey.
There you go.
This is a new knit fabric for us. It's rayon rich, and it's become very popular. Pat, it's become so popular. You know how I talk sometimes about the fans contacting me? Recently, after you get this home, you hit me on Facebook and you're like, wait, when are you getting more So Soft jerseys? Because that is the best knit ever. The feel of it on your skin it's like luxury.
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah, it definitely feels like it has a lot of modal, which can be very, very expensive. And that's what they put in a lot of the luxury. But you know what? You've taught us over the years that not all cotton's the same.
No.
So.
No, because I mean, it's just not. And we use the best cotton yarns we can find, plus all pre-shrunk. So it's easy to care for, machine wash, tumble dry. You will love these. So now you'll use them as underpinnings, layering pieces under a sweater, a jacket, like you've seen Pat and the ladies today. When it gets a little warmer, or maybe, I don't know if there's any warm places in America right now, because I'm not really.
Maybe next week.
Maybe Miami, I'm not really sure. But, you know, in a warm climate, you're going to wear these on their own with your shorts and crops and capris.
Definitely.
And I'm telling you, they launder like a dream, and you're going to love how they feel on your body.
Tagless.
Tagless,
so they're super, super, super comfortable.
Yeah.
The round
Tagless.
neckline has that nice binding to it. So it will look nice even if you throw on that denim jacket, or you throw on the plaid shirt, as we had a little bit earlier, or you're taking that new floral sweater and you're wrapping it around your shoulders, as I did. That's the beauty. The other thing, Gary, is Denim & Company. Did we not just celebrate 20 years with Denim & Company?
30.
30 years.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, 30 years.
30 years.
So you really understand our bodies and what we want. So you see it follows, it is what we call around here a semi-fit, so it pulled on over my head. It follows the lines of your body without being too tight. And then a lot of t-shirts do this, and that's not attractive, as you could obviously tell. Ours float away from your body ever so slightly, so they're comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 5'6", and you can see that it's not too short at all. So if I was, doing maybe I was volunteering and I was reaching up, you don't have to worry about your belly sticking out or anything like that. Yet this is so luxurious, you could, side tuck it, front tuck it, if you really wanted to do something like that.
And I also like the fact, well, because it's a rayon, Pat tucked that a little bit, and it's not like sometimes when you tuck a cotton t-shirt in, you pull it out and then it's wrinkled.
Yep.
Look, there's not,
Look.
many wrinkles at all in that. And they'll probably, if Pat was here for a few more minutes, well, she is going to be here, but it would probably fall out.
Exactly.
And then the other thing I wanted to point out quickly is the neckline. So people are asking me for more higher crew kind of necklines. Now, we call this a round neck, but I do think it's very close to a crew neck idea, and you still get all that décolleté coverage. So they're really nice tops, and you get 3.
And you get 3 for $23 and change.
Honestly.
All right, we have to go through the colors again,
Yes.
Gary, because they're going very, very quickly. 700 of you. You are more than welcome. The smart thing, if your budget allows it, especially with everything being with 5 easy pays today, pick up a second set. I mean, because this will never go out of style for you.
Can you imagine having these, like a set, 6 of these in your collection?
Right?
All of a sudden, you're going to be able to create outfits you didn't even know existed. That's how easy these essential pieces are going to make your life. Seriously. Yeah.
Okay. So let me get the right card.
Yeah.
Yellow, light gray, and chambray. And lots of times we say, oh, wouldn't yellow look pretty with that? Well, here's your yellow top.
And you know what else I just want to point out really quickly?
Please.
That light gray. Where do you find a gorgeous, like, pearl gray top like this?
I was going to say it's a silvery kind of gray. It looks great with the blue. It looks great
like it with yellow.
With black. Looks great with yellow.
Great with navy.
With navy. So thank you for calling that out. Because that doesn't happen by accident. There are books from Pantone that they go through all the colors to pick the perfect color for you. Pine,
it's an ordeal.
Orchid, black. It is a little bit of an ordeal. I won't lie. I've seen it happen. This is going to be, I love these 3 colors. Tapioca, which I think is it's such a pretty color.
Yeah,
Look at
it's
that.
such a warm, creamy color. I mean, really, really pretty. Yeah.
And with mocha mousse and chocolates and all the naturals being so important. And you always can use navy blue, right? And this will be as if you just added like lipstick. It's that pretty, this color, and that's the rose for you.
Which is really a light coral, salmon, peach.
You guys get it. All right, so this is the white, the Alpine Frost, which is sage, and then the teal color.
And I would say that's a soft white, wouldn't you?
I would say it's a soft white, And then last but not least, here we go with the blue, the slate gray, and then the rose.
And again, that slate gray is truly a gray with a kind of a bluish undertone to it. So great little combination. I don't know, you can't go wrong.
No.
Whichever one you get.
Again, if you can afford to go ahead and swing that second set of 3, imagine having 6 brand new colors that you've never had before, or at least refreshed, fresh shirts to go. This combination is most popular. Half of the things that have been ordered, the sets that have been ordered, are in this colorway. So it's 1,000 already ordered, majority of them in this colorway. So if you want this, make sure you put it into your cart and check out. The deal is this. You already, Gary, have designed for next spring, correct? Where are you at in the designing process?
For spring of 26, we're in the process.
In the process of spring of 26. That's how far out. That's why when Gary and I say to you, when it's gone, you're not going to see it for another year. Listen, for the longest time, I was like, really? Yeah, really? Because they have all kinds of things planned for us. Wait till you see it. We haven't even launched spring yet. Next month, we're going to launch pre-spring for you, but this is something that you could wear now, get the colors that you need, have fun with them. This would also make a great gift. It runs very true to size, so you don't have to worry about that. And a lot of times I know that when you hear cotton, you may go, I don't know, will it shrink? But you already did that work for us.
Right. Yeah, because they're all pre-shrunk. And because of the rayon in there, not only do you get softness, but you get durability and ease and comfort and, you know, all those good things. So actually, I think Pam and Tony are wearing a set. Yeah, you want to?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go for a walk.
Should we take one?
Sure.
Go for a walk.
All right. You want me to take another one?
It's up to you.
Okay. I'll take another
Hey,
one.
kids. Hey. So you guys are wearing a set, I believe. Yeah. The one that's most popular, obviously. You're very popular girls today.
Yeah. Because they look so good.
But you are. If I can't have faith.
I know that.
Anyway.
In my head.
So how does it feel, kids?
Amazing.
You love that fabric?
You like the fabric?
And it would go with all my beach pants.
Well, that's true.
Good point, Pam.
If you didn't hear Pam, she said it would go with all her beach pants.
Those colors, there's so many to choose
I know, so many to choose from.
Nice.
But
This is a $20 T-shirt.
$23.50.
It's so great and so finished. You can wear it wherever.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, but
I'm telling you.
You're telling me. Tell them.
You can wear it wherever. It's just so well done.
Yeah.
And it's so rare to find one. Like you said, it doesn't cling, you know, and it's still the wrinkles fall out if need be. I mean, it's just, I don't know how you can.
You get the coverage you want.
Yes.
You get the 3/4 sleeve, which is always popular.
Yes.
You know, I like that it doesn't show like lines and things like that. So I feel like the quality is so good, Pat.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
just like, I was so excited when we found this fabric because we were looking for a different jersey to bring to the table. We know Perfect Jersey is a big
We
winner,
love our Perfect Jersey.
but this is different. This is more luxurious, I
Yes.
feel.
Yes.
Perfect Jersey is a little
Right?
more casual.
Perfect Jersey is a little more casual. This is a little bit more sleek and sophisticated. And
Yes.
it feels expensive. It truly does.
Like-
the weight.
You like the weight
You
of it.
get coverage, but you don't feel. It feels cool to the touch.
Yeah.
Does that make
Well, that's a
sense?
good thing
Yeah.
too.
Cool
I
to
like the
touch.
cool hand.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
And you see how it fits the three of us, three very different bodies,
Yes.
and it fits us, each one of us, confidently. It is something that you could wear. You also could wear it with dressier pant if you wanted to. Your beach pants. You know, I could see it with all the prints that soon will be coming out. You know, the print bottoms.
My favorite pant today.
Oh, there's your favorite pant.
Which is amazing, by the way, because that's a perfect match.
That is a perfect match. And those are two different fabrics.
Two different fabrics.
Yes.
This it has a jacket to go with it. I mean, if I didn't know
Yeah.
better, I would have thought we would have planned that, but we didn't. It just matches exceptionally well. So,
Great travel outfit.
and if
Yes.
here, Tony, I'm just going to put this over your shoulder like
Okay,
this.
Gary,
So,
yeah.
okay. So, you can see if she wanted to do a whole blue
Yeah.
ensemble, she could easily do that in her favorite outfit. Very, very cool. Very cool. Love it.
Love it.
And it's going to wash up beautifully. You
Mm-hmm.
get the same T-shirt back. A lot of times, Tony, I'm going to go back to what you said, because we've all been, at least I've been, you know, kind of 1999 T-shirt, and you buy it and you wear it, and then you're like hesitant to wash it because you know you're never going to get the same T-shirt back because it's not going to launder well. You don't have that same kind of fear with these. That's the beauty of it. This is a $23.50 each beautiful top. And that neckline, as you can see, the neckline is very, very pretty on it.
And Pat, honestly, if you just want to buy one, you can pay the $35 for it and the shipping and, you know, on
Right.
QVC.com. We have them as a single item in several colors at $35. Wow. But seriously, you get 3 for, it's almost like you get 70, what is that, 30, see,
Well, if you bought them separately, you'd pay $10
70,
and
97, 8, 9, $105, right?
yeah, with
For
all the
3?
shipping and handling.
Yeah, and so this is half the price. I
Yep.
mean,
All right.
so good.
Can we head
Yes,
on
we
back
can.
over there if you don't mind?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Can I have my jacket
Yes.
back?
2,000 already ordered. We're going to go through and we'll give you kind of an update on what's still available in these. If you don't buy it today and it sells out, you're